Understanding analogous colors in English. Hello, learners! In today's video, we're going to dive into the beautiful world of color combinations, with a special focus on a particular group of colors called analogous colors. These color combinations can greatly enrich your English descriptions of things around you. So, let's start exploring. First, let's define analogous colors. Analogous colors are groups of colors that sit next to each other on the color wheel. They usually match well and create serene and comfortable designs. An example of analogous colors could be red, orange, and yellow, or blue, blue-green, and green. Now that we know what analogous colors are, let's explore how to use these color combinations in English descriptions. Let's say you're describing a beautiful sunset. You might say, "The sunset painted the sky with analogous colors of red, orange, and yellow, creating a warm and tranquil scene." By using the concept of analogous colors, you're able to provide a more vivid and accurate description of the sunset. To get the hang of using analogous colors, let's do some practice. Try to think of objects or scenes that exhibit these color combinations. Perhaps a garden with flowers that are different shades of purple, or a painting with a gradient of blues. Practice describing these scenes in English, using the phrase, analogous colors. For example, you might say, "The garden was blooming with analogous colors of lavender, lilac, and plum," or, "The painting was an artistic display of analogous colors, blending from navy to sky blue." And that's our journey into the world of analogous colors. I hope you're now feeling more comfortable with using this concept in your English descriptions. Remember, the more you practice, the more natural it will become. So keep exploring, keep describing, and keep learning. See you in our next video.